Welcome to Dragon Classroom. I'm Dragon. How do you feel today? What are we going to learn today? How do you say happy in Chinese? Let us learn together. How do you say happy in Chinese? 高兴,高兴,高兴. How do you say sad in Chinese? 伤心,伤心,伤心. How do you say angry in Chinese? 生气,生气,生气. How do you say afraid in Chinese? 害怕,害怕,害怕. How do you say worried in Chinese? 担心,担心,担心. How do you say nervous in Chinese? 紧张,紧张,紧张. How do you say surprise in Chinese? 惊讶,惊讶,惊讶. How do you say curious in Chinese? 好奇,好奇,好奇. How do you say confused in Chinese? 困惑,困惑,困惑. How do you say bored in Chinese? 无聊,无聊,无聊. How do you say jealous in Chinese? 嫉妒,嫉妒,嫉妒. We are done with the lesson. Let us play a game. Listen carefully. 高兴,高兴,高兴. What does it mean? Choose your answer. 高兴 is happy. 高兴 is happy. Listen carefully. 紧张,紧张,紧张. What does it mean? Choose your answer. 紧张 is nervous. 紧张 is nervous. Listen carefully. 嫉妒,嫉妒,嫉妒. What does it mean? Choose your answer. 嫉妒 is jealous. 嫉妒 is jealous. That's all for the game. Thank you for trying hard. It's time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Join me again. Thank you. 谢谢.